Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm still getting a random whitehead here and there, and I also have these sebaceous filaments that are perfectly normal, but I want to try to reduce their appearance a little bit. And according to Reddit, they said to try an oil cleanser. I'm also using a bunch of different sunscreens right now, and maybe the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is not enough to remove the oily parts, and that could be causing the random acne. Let's open these up and give them a try. So they both feel pretty similar. If I had to pick one, I would go with whichever one is least expensive. But let's try to get some real-time footage of this going on here. Try to keep this on the left side. The Kose is a little more citrusy smelling, and this one has a pretty mineral smell. No real preferences there. I like the Kose smell a little bit better, but I think price will determine which one I buy. And let's see how they do in the eyes. Okay, neither are causing any stinging in my eyes. And Reddit says to do this for about a minute and then finish my cleansing routine with the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. We'll see if this helps with the sebaceous filaments and the random acne I'm getting, but for now, they are the same. Video 237 done.